generic drops for days. Still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'm a...
Welcome to the Ethereal Dojo. Get your ass in here and I'll teach you some shit.
Welcome to Ethereal Dojo. I'm Derek, and the topic today is going to be one of my favorites personally, crystals. Not just crystals, but anything that you need, that little extra to get you to the next level. Let's focus on crystals, rocks, geodes, things like that to start. Okay, I got my start in this in my early 20s. There was a store, Moonstones. It still exists actually, up the road from my house, and I'd go there and I'd ask Amy, the caretaker of the store, what do I need for this, or what do I need for this? And she'd always guide me the right way. To this day, I still carry a small satchel of crystals in my back left pocket. I have no idea why left pocket. That's where she told me to put it. I never questioned. She did say it was important that they had to be in the left pocket, left for some reason. I don't know why. But crystals. So if you're watching this video, you're probably trying to astral project or lucid dream, or looking for some type of protection from sleep paralysis, things like that. Okay. If you look up crystals for astral projection, you will get, if you look on 10 different websites, you'll get 30 different responses. Okay. Everybody says there's certain crystals for astral projection. Quartz is good for din or anything, so just throw quartz in there right now. It's just like a jack of all trades. A big one is bismuth and labradorite. What's the magnetic one? Hematite. Throw that in there too. It increases the whole thing. As far as what you're going to want to do from there is narrow your search down. What do you want exactly from the astral projection? Do you want safety? Do you want to open up your third eye, your chakras? Narrow it down from there. So when you search crystals for astral projection or crystals for lucid dreaming, you have to be more specific about it, such as, you get too anxious and nervous and you want to calm down. So plug that in. Also, just throwing this out there, this is a little pyramid I picked up. Little black obsidian pyramid is supposed to take away any negative energy, bad dreams, things like that. Anything to do with the pyramid's always good. Pyramids always increase energy. Okay, they're always going to direct energy. You can never go wrong with the pyramid. If you watch some old documentaries and things, even from like the 90s, they were just starting to realize how dynamic pyramids are. Even not just crystals, but just random like paper or wood pyramids. It's incredible. This is supposed to, like I said, it's supposed to soak up negative energy, bad dreams, things like that, because I am plagued by bad dreams sometimes. But as you search for your crystals, the number one thing is that you're going to have to touch them and it'll call out to you. I mean, not loud. It's not going to ring in your ears or anything like that. But as you touch them, you even close your eyes. If you have like a bucket of, I don't know, malachite or something, and you're digging through it, close your eyes. You'll be able to feel which one is for you. When you get your stones, let's say you go to the store, you 5, 6, whatever, however many you get, always immediately salt, kosher salt if you have it. That gets all the negative energy. Like swish them around in a like a little jar of salt. And if anybody touches them, you got to do the same thing. You got to get their energy off of it. The only person's energy that should be on any type of crystal that you have is your own. Okay, not even a loved one. My kids, my wife, they know that's why I have them in a little satchel. Nobody's to touch them. Okay. If it happens, it happens. But then I got to go through a whole process of cleansing it and everything like that. If you want to start all over, like a factory reset, new moon or full moon. Full moon's going to be more powerful, and you're going to soak them in salt water in the light of the moon. Okay, it's going to basically, like I said, that's a factory reset. Back left pocket always. Hold them. Like, let's say you have, I don't know, 3 stones in your pocket now. Right here. Let me dig for mine real quick. It might take me a second, but hold it, feel it, rub it. If you want something specific out of it, like let's say you have malachite because you're looking for luck or money, sit in there and rub it. Okay, it's not going to directly give you money, but it may open up an opportunity for you to have money, such as a shift to open up at work, or possibility for advancement in a job, things like that. It's never going to directly. It may put money in your pocket, but generally no. It's going to give you the opportunity to make money. Same thing goes with astral projection. It's not going to directly help you astral project. It'll open up a door so that you could take that step forward yourself. Okay? Nothing's easy in this universe. Not especially astral projection. I get asked all the time, when will it happen? When will it? It's different for everybody. Some people they might have one and never have another one. Some people, twice a year. Some people like me, it's at least 3 times a month, whether I like it or not. That's a gift and a curse. Believe me. Another thing, people always ask me, how do I know? I think I had one, but how do I know? Do you remember those 3D pictures from when, like around the 90s, where it was a picture and it looked like a whole bunch of static and you're supposed to keep staring at it and then all of a sudden, like a dinosaur or something, you'll be able to see it? Think of an astral projection like that, okay? Staring at that picture, sometimes you think you see it, you maybe see it, but when that dinosaur finally pops out at you, you see that motherfucker and you know it's real, it's there. Before, it was all just a joke. Now, it's real. And every time you go back to that dinosaur, that picture, and look for the dinosaur, you can get it faster and faster and faster to the point where you're walking up to the picture and the son of a bitch is just popping right out at you. That's the best way that I can equate people that ask me, how I know. You'll know. Believe me, you'll know. Don't get discouraged. Everybody's always getting discouraged. We live in a society of immediate reactions. Everything has to be right then and there. This isn't like that. This takes years of practice. Okay, got to dedicate yourself to it. Also, especially in the beginning, you're going to be spending some nights sleeping alone if you're going to try, because it's very, very difficult when you're sleeping beside somebody, especially when you first start out doing it, for it to happen. Okay? I sleep on this couch a couple nights a week. For that reason, and several reasons, because I have bad dreams. I toss and turn in my sleep, but when I know for sure that I'm going to be pulled out of my bed, I don't even go upstairs with my wife. I stay down here. There's no point. I'll just wake her up. I'll be tossing and turning all night, swearing, cussing, It's a gift and a curse. And listen, once you open up the door all the way, you're kicking the motherfucker down. Like there's no putting the toothpaste back in that tube. It's there. Like you're initiated. And as much as you'd like to stop it, you may not be able to. you'll be pulled out of your body 2-3 times a month like I am. I never had a choice in it, honestly. It's been happening since I was a teenager, sleep paralysis, and then leading to astral projection. I was never given a choice. I'll cuss out a spirit guide left and right, and still they'll pull me off or whatever happened to be. But if you have any questions, d.rek9160@gmail.com. Again, like I said in the last 2 videos, Oculus, VR chat, we're going to do most likely VR chat. My login is d.rek9160, and screen name is dr_ROCKSO, Dr. Roxo. Feel free, ask me anything. I'm an open book. If my son happens to be on there and you're asking for me, don't worry, he'll hand it right over to me. I got 2 headsets. I did it so that he could use one in case I need to use it for the astral stuff.